Gracie. Can you say uh-oh? Uh-oh. Okay, where is your teeth? Teeth. Okay, where is your nose? Where is your ear? Ear. And where is your eye? Eye. No, that's your nose. Eye. Where are your eyes? Can you show your eyes? Okay, maybe that's not very good yet. Where are your fingers? Yeah. And where are your toes? And your knees? Knees, knees. And where is the other one? Where is your other knee? That is your ear. Yee. And where is your hair? There. Good girl. Good girl. Hee 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 hee.
Oh.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Can you say turtle? Look, what is that? What is that? Turtle. Turtle. Can you say tiger? No, that's a lion. Tiger. Yay, good girl. Can you say baby? Baby? Where is the baby? Alright, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.